Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create a simple timeout helper file. There is nothing special about it, it's just coming from the architecture practices. So in the root of the project, let's create a new folder named lib, where you actually can store all your helpers and configuration, besides video config of course. And in this case we will be talking about timeouts. So let's create a file named timeouts.js. And here I'm gonna specify and export three variables. One will be named short, medium, and long. And basically this is where you can store the values for your timeouts. And anytime you need to pass a pause or some timeout, you can select from short, medium, or long, and it will be consistent across all of the tests, and it will not be hard-coded into the functions. Everything will be handled from this one file. And if you, for example, want to change a value for example, short pause, you can do it here in the timeouts.js file, and it will automatically be done across all the files, and you don't need to go one by one and fix it. This is very good for the dry principles, which you probably know from programming. So I'm gonna start with keyword exports, const short, and the short timeout will be 3 seconds. Now let's do the same for medium. This one will be 5 seconds. And let's do long. And that will be 8 seconds. And now if you want to use it, you need to go to the example on the top, and first you need to import it. So let's say you want to import all of them. So we can import short, medium, and long. And we want to import it from lib and timeout. And let's say here you want to use the short pause. So instead of hard coding the number of 3 seconds, you will simply pass short. So now the browser will take a short pause. And let's say you scroll down here and you want to use long. All you have to do is browser pause and long. So let's now try to run it. And you shouldn't get any errors. And now it's taking a long pause. And as you can see, everything is still working as expected. But this makes your code and your tests much more readable and maintainable. So I think that's it, and in the next video I'm going to show you how you can emulate devices as promised in the previous one. So thank you so far, and see you in the next one.